ಹಾಯ್ ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ನೀವು ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ ನಮ್ಮ KFI. ನಾನು ಆ್ಯಂಕರ್ ರಂಗನಾಥ್ ಗೌಡ. ಈಗ ತಾನೇ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರೀಮಿಯರ್ನ ಮುಗಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬಂದೆ. ಐ ಆಮ್ ಗಾಡ್ ಚಿತ್ರದ ಪ್ರೀಮಿಯರ್. ಸೊ ನನ್ನ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ದ ವೆರಿ ಬ್ಯೂಟಿಫುಲ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದ ವೆರಿ ಗಾರ್ಜಿಯಸ್ ವಿಜೇತಾ ಪರೇಖ್ ಅವರಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಚಿತ್ರದ ನಾಯಕಿ, ಅವ್ರನ್ನ ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಹಾಯ್, ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ, ಹೇಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
Hello, I'm good. ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ and thank you so much for the compliment. Yeah.
ಸಾ ಯು ಆನ್ ದ ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ತುಂಬ ಬ್ಯೂಟಿಫುಲ್ ಆಗಿ, ತುಂಬ ಬೋಲ್ಡ್ ಆಗಿ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ತುಂಬ ಫ್ಯಾಬುಲಸ್ ಆಗಿ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ. ಸೊ ಒಂದು ಆಡಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ನೋಡಿದಂಥ ಒಂದು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೀರಿಯನ್ಸು, ಹೌ ವಾಸ್ ಇಟ್?
What?
ಆಡಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಮೂವಿ ನೋಡಿದಂಥ, ಐ ಮೀನ್ ಯು ವಾಚ್ಡ್ ಇಟ್ ವಿತ್ ದ ಆಡಿಯನ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಹೌ ವಾಸ್ ಯುವರ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೀರಿಯನ್ಸ್?
So, as you all know, this is my like debut Kannada film, and like this is my officially debut film. So I was seeing myself performing for the first time apart from the song. So it was a surreal moment for me, and I couldn't believe it. I still can't digest it that I did that. So all credit goes to my like direction teams. These guys helped me a lot. So because of them, I was able to perform the way I have performed, and I just loved the movie, especially the second half when the Devas character, you know, he is getting emotional and he is crying and sleeping on the roads, and that in that part I was like, I was literally about to cry, and I was sitting next to Sir Ravi Sir, and I was like looking at him. What have you done? Like, is this you there on the screen? So this thing happened. So I loved it, and like with the like theater was full with the audience, and these guys were shouting, and I didn't know what to do. I was just looking at his face, and he was just smiling, looking to the screen, and I was like, okay, this is the moment. So it was a moment, and I loved it.
And you watched it with the legendary actor, which is Uppi sir and Priyanka ma'am. So what was the compliment that you got it from both of the actors?
Okay, so Uppi sir, when we launched trailer at that time and this time too, he was like, "You have done a great job. You are a very good actor. You have done a great job." But when I was watching, when I was sitting next to them, like Uppi sir and Priyanka ma'am, at that time, in my mind, what thought was going on, I was seeing myself performing for the first time, and I was like, "Oh my God, everybody is watching." So that thing was going on in my mind. Then I literally took like 20 to 30 minutes to settle down myself, and then interval happened, and then Uppi sir and Priyanka ma'am was like, "You have done a great job." So it was a big thing for me. Yeah.
So any one quality that you liked about Ravi Gowda sir? What is that one quality?
He is so
As a co-artist.
okay, so he is my co-artist and director. He's so calm and composed. So I like that quality of him, and I always tell him, sir, how can you be like so calm and composed all the time? So I wish I can steal that thing from him.
So which part of Deva did you like? Is it the first part or the second part of Deva you liked the most?
Okay, so but you are asking to me like
Yeah.
personally what's my opinion. So obviously I like that chocolatey boy Deva, but when the second half starts, and in that Deva is crying and he is thinking about his family and everything, so that part that stole my heart. So I like that Deva more than
Uh, as an actor, which scenes is very easy to pull off, or which is very difficult to pull off? Is it a romantic scene which is easy to pull off, or a emotional scene which is easy to pull off on screen?
Okay, so every scene is different, and every scene, you know, you have to shoot on a different day. So it depends on your mindset, what you are thinking that day, how much you are prepared, what's your mindset, have you slept properly or not. So for me, it was my first time. So romantic scenes, I was scared, like. Oh, I have to do a kissing scene, this and that. So I was scared. But once the kissing scene, we shot the kissing scene. After that, like I was so calm and ki theek hai, go with the flow, ho gaya. So it was like
Uh, so in coming days, what kind of characters you want to explore in the industry?
okay. So I want to work on good scripts, And as I previously said, language is not a barrier for me. I want to work in Kannada, Telugu, Tamil, Malayalam, Hindi, everywhere. If the script is good, I want to work in that film. It can be a commercial film, it can be a content based film. I just want to work and I just want to tell good stories.
Okay.
Yeah.
To invite all the audience, say it with me, repeat it after me. So, ಎಲ್ಲರೂ
ಎಲ್ಲರೂ
ಥಿಯೇಟರ್ಗೆ ಬಂದು
ಥಿಯೇಟರ್ಗೆ ಬಂದು
ನಮ್ಮ ಸಿನಿಮಾ
ನಮ್ಮ ಸಿನಿಮಾ
ಐ ಆಮ್ ಗಾಡ್
ಐ ಆಮ್ ಗಾಡ್
ನವಂಬರ್ 7th ರಿಲೀಸ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ.
ನವೆಂಬರ್ 7 ರಿಲೀಸ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ.
ಬಂದು ನೋಡಿ
ಬಂದು ನೋಡಿ
ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ನಿಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರ ಪ್ರೀತಿ ಕೊಡಿ. ನಿಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರ
ನಿಮ್ಮ ಎಲ್ಲರ
ಪ್ರೀತಿ
ಪ್ರೀತಿ
ಕೊಡಿ.
ಕೊಡಿ.
ಸೊ ವಿ ಲವ್ ಯು ಕನ್ನಡಿಗಾಸ್ ಅಂತ.
We love you, Kannadigas.
Thank you so much and wishing you more success and so great that you have pulled off a very nice character and you look really gorgeous on the screen. So wishing you more success and thank you so much for joining us. Yeah, thank you so much. ಸೊ ನಮ್ಮ KFIನ ವೀಕ್ಷಕರೇ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಕೂಡ ಈ ಒಂದು ಚಿತ್ರನ ನವಂಬರ್ 7th ಥಿಯೇಟರ್ಸಲ್ಲೇ ನೋಡಿ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸೊ ಮಚ್.